Now, there are lots of beautiful shrubs during the winter time. Everybody thinks that gardening automatically closes down during the winter. Oh no, it's not just about autumn colour as well. There are some really good backbone varieties of plants that give green leaves throughout the winter months as well. Now, this is my namesake. Just outside of my little workshop at the back, inside the workshop at the moment, is all the Christmas lights. We're still adding more to it. The kids love outdoor lights, and so do I. But this little plant here, well, little plant, it's quite big, is Viburnum davidii, named after David. And what you see is this lovely leaves here, beautiful veined as well, dark green and light buds amongst here, as you can see. But the real interest is the berries, because they're quite unique. The term horticulturally, we call it metallic, because it's got a slight sheen to it, and that almost, I suppose, silvery bluey colour. It's quite haunting because it looks pretty unnatural as itself, but the combination of the leaves and the berries makes it a really good plant. Now, it creates quite a mound. Now, this one's pretty well established. It's a big one. They start off small and it can grow up to about 3 foot by 3 foot, but this is really coming to almost its maximum height here. You can buy from garden centres quite easily. This one here costs £11.49. Now, 11 quid, and years of easy growing in your own garden to create a shrub like this. It's ideal. So if you're looking out into your garden and you're seeing, I don't know, quite a lot of branches and not many leaves, things like the Virburnum give that extra little bit of interest. I love them. I think it's a nice shaped shrub. I like the fact that it's got a combination of buds and berries all at the same time. And this plant is particularly suitable for some lights to go around the outside, because that's the magic. You don't just have to decorate Christmas trees, of course. You can decorate the shrubs in your garden, and trees as well. Certainly if they've fallen off with their leaves, you can identify the shape. I usually like to prune a little bit of some of my bigger trees during the winter months, because with the leaves on, I can see the structure of the branches. So if you're thinking about getting really nice evergreen into your own gardens, you can get to the garden centres. Nearly everybody stocks them, but something with unique berries like that to put a smile on your face during the winter months. It almost looks like little Christmas decorations. Some of them have fallen off here because this has been in my car, but as you can see from the one that I've got growing in the garden itself, I find that quite hypnotic. Something a bit different, and it just keeps giving. So easy to look after. Just plant it in the ground and let nature do the rest.